Hey guys, it's Mike with Skinner's Custom Screens, Windows and Doors. We're out here with Noel and Eamon. We're installing solar screens on the customer's home in Sun City. They've chosen 90 and 80% black with a white frame, and we'll show you more about this home. So we've got the 90% black on the front of the home, including the two side lights of the doors. So as we walk around this home, you can see what we've done here. Coming around to the back, here we have Jay screwing the screens in on each side of the sash to keep them steady during high weather. And that's what we have for this edition of solar screen installation this week. Tune in next time for Skinner's Custom Screens, Windows and Doors. Our phone number is 512-863-5145. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications of new videos. Thank you.